We're way over here tonight.
Dude, we should. Oh shit! Wait. Alarm. Yeah, sorry. Come here.
Don't close it.
How long will you be up there? You don't know? No, we're just here taking a break because we've been running for like a minute, and you want a break now?
My butt hurts.
I mean, I could have changed your seat.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know about your little bike though, to be honest. Bike right here. Yeah, I don't even know about that. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. What are you doing?
I'm posing.
Oh, you're posing for the picture? Oh yeah, I forgot. Here, wait, let me go get a picture. Got the picture. I don't know if the DSLR heard that, but that's strange how I never heard that this park was here. Never been to this site. Want to do some little photo shoot here? Dang, did you realize that we have like a 4 consecutive day of photo shooting? Oh. Okay. You just hop over, you know that, right? Sexy legs. Nice shoes. I see those shoes. Those expensive Adidas sweatpants. I was gonna get the picture. Alright, here, wait, let me go. Would you like to continue to go to Central? Let's go.
1 o'clock on the dot and I left my bag on your couch at the spot, my bed.
Like, if my bike jerked and I fell into the pond.
But that'd be awesome because I get that on footage. Okay, what are you doing? I bet you're gonna fall off. Oh, take pictures? Alright. I gotta get off my bike first of all. Here, wait. You know what? Screw it. I'm dropping my bike. Ugh, I'm not gonna get on that one. That looks dirty. Alright.
1 o'clock on the dot and I left my bag on your couch at the spot, my bed. To see you again, yeah, you heard it here first.
I'm ahead of you now. What? Oh, hell no. You ain't coming for me. You ain't coming for me. No, you ain't coming for me. God dang. Dang it, dang it. Wait.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, I told you.
Nothing there. We're gonna have to turn around.
Yeah, let's turn. Jesus Christ, look at that. They're so extra. Look how nice that is. I mean, they got the little tree up top. Don't worry, we're almost there.
First, another round, alright. You really didn't want to end the night. That's the way it can be, like I do, alright.
Oh, you want to ride the bike? Okay. Oh, yeah, because I had a lot of crap on with me. Yeah, that's true. My hair is ugly. I don't have a flip-out screen, so I don't know. Charger Nation! Look at that! Charger Nation! Yeah, Charger Nation. I ride my bike with no hands. Can Christian do that? Nope, he can't. Ah, damn it, it's locked. That band tower is locked. Keller Central Marching Band, sponsored by Tex Grill Star and MMC. I don't know what the hell that said. So yeah, sponsored by those two. So thanks for the money, Medusa. So we felt really bored at that school. We were gonna go in, but someone caught us, so we had to leave the property. Yeah, we're just going at the park and chill. Mostly we've been riding for what, like 2 hours or something like that? An hour? Oh, okay, it was just an hour. Okay, well, my bad. I thought it was like 2 hours or something like that. Now we're just sitting here and chilling.
Yeah.
Now I can finally relax now.
Same here.
Yeah. Under there trying to climb up here. Oh, you're on top there. What are you doing? I thought you were under there trying to get up. Like,
No,
oh,
I'm falling.
Okay, see ya. Wait, what you... Like,
Look, there's some to do curl-ups over there.
where's curl-ups? Those are too small. Here, record me doing this. Alright, what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do with this little thing? Sponsored by Nikes. Sponsored by, what brand is that little hat there? No.
BOA.
BOA.
America.
Wait, that's a Band of America hat?
Yeah.
Sponsored by Adidas. I keep thinking those are like those expensive sweatpants. They were like, what, $90 for those?
No, I got these for like 50.
50?
Yeah.
Sponsored by Samsung. Fall.
No.
Go, get out. Get down. Yeah, get down. Get down there.
I'm coming for you, slave.
Oh, hell no. Hey, Christian, you ain't coming for me.
Donald Trump is.
Hey, what's Donald Trump gonna do?
No, Kim Jong-un. He needs more soldiers for that nuclear warfare.
Dang, look at that. Comparing to my bike, this is like so small. Huh, it's cute though. It's portable. You could at least put this in like
A car.
your friend's car, because like my bike, I tried to put it in my friend's car once and it was hell. I couldn't even get it out. But like, it was hell. I couldn't even get it out of my friend's car. You know?
Right? Terrible.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, remember one time how like my friend was like put on that brake too hard that I literally just fall off of that car.
Yeah.
And I was like in that weird position for like until we get to I think your house or my house. Yeah, it was pretty awkward. Alright, let's head out. Let's go.
Hold on.
Oh wait. Gotta go get my backpack. It's up there right now. You ain't taking my backpack! No! Ah! You ain't taking my backpack! Oh god, my ass is hurting from that. Really, Christian? Really? No. Don't be dabbing on me. What do you want to do with a tree? Pump on it? Oh, okay. This tree is strong enough. Oh, we can get some pictures up here. Or I could use this as my thumbnail. Here, wait. Yeah, climb on it. Climb as high as you can. Do something with it. Ah, yeah. Ow! Oh! I just tripped out of that rock.
As far as we can go.
Alright, do some pose for the thumbnail. Focus. Got him. Oh my god, are you seriously? Why you gotta be eating? Ugh! That's disgusting! Don't be throwing that wood chip at me.
Work is healthy.
I never ate those. Ew, you disgusting. Ah! Jesus. Well, no. Oh, thank God you didn't throw it at me. What are you doing? Wait, what? Oh, you're doing that. I'm trying to break that part off. Well, that ain't gonna work, sadly. Alright, seriously, can we start heading out right now? Exhausted right now.
If I can get down.
Wait, can you get down from that thing?
No, I'm like a cat.
He's struggling really bad on it.
I'm like a cat. I can't get down.
He's really struggling. I could even get off of that crap. Just jump off. Like, seriously. Can you jump off at least? Can't even jump off. He's a scary ass looking cat. Look at that. He's a scary ass cat. He can't even jump off of that. Oh my god. Alright, let's go, Christian. You need to get back home and get a rest. And charge my DSLR because it's like half dead right now. I think it's like 30%. I'm seeing it. I guess we do need a mic for this. Today.
Good.
Yeah, it was good. I expect this to be pretty boring. Until you got it hyped up. Yep. Now, I only have one day to work on this. I only have one day to work on this vlog because it's Vlogmas, so I gotta post it every day. Turn right. We turn right here. Let's get to the hill. You can see the hill real clear. We can get to that hill. See if I'm focused on myself. By the way, sorry that you're seeing my hair really ugly. Anyways, right now, I'm actually editing on my vlog that you're watching right now, and I'm gonna actually be uploading every day until Christmas. I want to start doing that. I want to start doing Vlogmas vlogs, so I can, you know, join the trend, you know, of vloggers. Vloggers, they do like Vlogmas and all that. So right now it's the first day. I started really late. It was supposed to be like at December the 12th, but it is December the 16th. So basically, right here, it's basically 9 more days until Christmas. So yeah, so basically, hope you enjoy this first Vlogmas or Christmas vlog. And as always I say on my outros, next vlog is coming soon. Instead of coming soon, it's gonna come tomorrow. So, see ya.